Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to add fingerprint or set fingerprint in IQOO Z6 smartphone. So without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to navigate to settings. Then you need to swipe up. Then you enter the security. Then you need to click fingerprint. Now you need to confirm your pattern here. Then click add fingerprint. Now click start inputting. Now I will add my fingerprint. So this is a method. You need to touch and lift up your finger. Also you need to change the position of a finger. Now the fingerprint is added successfully. Now we will come out. We'll lock the phone. I will try to open with the added finger. It will get opened. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.